me and Carmie are gonna make a cooking vlog.
Oh yeah, cooking sushi.
We took there were sushi bowls at lunch today, and we didn't want to eat them at lunch, so we brought containers and filled them up, and now we're going to make dinner with them. See, this is tofu. I put a couple pieces in. I've never tried it before, so I'm gonna try it. Have you ever tried tofu before?
I've never.
Okay, wait, I have another. I'm scared. Is it really have any flavor?
Yeah, it's like nothing. Sorry.
It's not, I mean, it's not bad, but it's not
Maybe
like,
it should be good. I don't know.
yeah, I don't know. I don't know either, but yeah. First step is to clean your stove and turn it on. Check it. Take your cooking spray.
Oh, you're actually so good.
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to get my carrots off of my rice.
Oh, I was just gonna take the whole thing.
I think I'm gonna have rice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should I put an egg in here with it, or just cook it like this?
That could be good.
Kind of like fried rice. I think. Are our eggs still good without eggs? Because the eggs last a long time.
I don't know. I don't think it lasts as long as this.
Because I feel like we've had these for a while.
Yeah.
I'm gonna Google it. They last 3 to 5 weeks, and I don't think it's been more than that. So. Oh yeah, you can use the spatula if you
It's
want.
fine.
Yeah, look at all that food. Delicious. What the heck?
It's cooked already.
Yeah, it's literally felt like a hard-boiled egg. We found sauce.